We are getting ready to build the Toyota front end. Parts we gotta get put together. I gotta drill this knuckle and bolt this on. We have a Dana 44 front end out of a Ford Bronco, and we're swapping it all over to be 6 lug so that it's the same as my Toyota, and we're gonna put it in. So this is the tear down and build up of the front axle. Maybe. Now I gotta go buy a die or a tap. I don't have a tap. All right, now we gotta drill the holes out to a bigger size so we can tap them. I'm gonna pull the ball joints out just to make our life easier. And we'll put new ones in it anyway. There's a C-clip hiding under here that you pull off and the ball joint presses out. Alright. And we'll tap on it a little. One gone. Let's see what we can do here. Getting some pretty good threads, it feels like. Like good threads. And it screws in there like it should. Must have done something right. You probably should have a big mill to chuck this up in and get it so it's perfectly straight and true. But I don't have a mill that's big enough to do that, so we're just doing it. Fairly close. All right. Look at that. Even drilled them in the right spot. I'll be danged. We'll take and clean all that rust off, and we'll put some Loctite on those and put them in for the last time. Put some ball joints in this, tear it apart, and put it in that front end over there. That ought to be flat enough. It's 3/4 ton, and I don't need 3/4 ton stuff. These spindles are gonna work either. I think I'm gonna have to put some different spindles on it. Stick a screwdriver under that side. Tap that side a little. she's off. We'll clean this all up and we can get back to work. Now, put that thing back on. Bottom ball joint is installationed. In. All right. That seems a little sketchy. Maybe I'll get a strap. Off. So the problem I got is the Ford is a 5-lug and the Chevys are 6 on the spindles, or I would have just used these knuckles, so that's why I'm using the other knuckle. Wow, that gun ain't enough. Yep, they've been on there a minute. Alright, there's that. We'll put some Chevy brakes on it, so we won't need any of that stuff. Wow. We might ought to just buy axles now, because those are tiny and they're gonna break. Get this ball joint off. All right, finally. One down, we got a lot of cleaning up to do on the front end. We'll tear the other side apart. Okay, there's front end. Now, I think we'll pull the cover off, drain the oil, see what it is. Well, it's not a locker. It was supposed to have no locker. Just a good old posi traction. It's tight, posi. Looks like someone's put gears in it. It's got 456s in it. Oh, looks good. That's a good sign. So since this is going in a Toyota truck, I ordered a Toyota yoke so that it'll work with my Toyota drive lines and I don't have to mess around. That sill don't necessarily fit there, I don't think. Got some grossness in there. Says it's the right one. That is not even close. What the hell? Put the diff cover on, seal this thing up. Now, it says that fits right like that. Get this on, and then I gotta build a truss to go over the top for my 3-link to hook into. And then we can pull the truck in and strip it. There it is, sealed up, about as far as we can go tonight with parts. All right, now we are out of parts. So we got the knuckles all drilled and tapped and all the parts that we had put together. And on the next episode, we'll get the front end all built and get the truss put on it and have it ready to go under the truck.